With over 20 years of cow waterbed sales, we have the longest lasting, most proven performance in the global dairy industry. Along the way, we learned from farmers just like you, and we improved and developed DCC Waterbeds to be the best cow waterbeds in the world. If you don't already know DCC Waterbeds, let's talk about what you might know. If you're familiar with cow mattresses, you know the frustration. You know torn covers. You know lost comfort as the foams and fillers compact and harden. And you know the resulting lameness that forces you to treat and perhaps even cull your cows. Year after year, in barn after barn, farmers are done spending their money on the same poor performing mattresses. They're done seeing bad hocks, they're done seeing production suffer. They're finally giving themselves and their cows the right product for comfort. They're choosing DCC Waterbeds. They deserve better, you deserve better, and so do your cows. Some farmers choose deep bedded stalls, and some of those farmers use organic materials like compost, manure solids, or straw. Managing these bedding types requires more focus and attention to ensure the bedding stays fresher and drier. Stop paying attention to it, and trouble signs quickly show up. This bedding choice works with the right equipment, the right climate, and the right people to manage it. When it's no longer working, then it's time for a change. With DCC Waterbeds, these farmers no longer need to worry about constant problems with environmental mastitis that comes from hard to manage bedding. They deserve better. You deserve better, and so do your cows. If deep sand is your choice, then you know the two sides of sand. On one side, you count on good quality, well-maintained sand to encourage good lying times from your cows. This is what you focus on most when you think about sand. On the other side, you know the constant wear on equipment, from your milking systems to your manure systems, end to end on your farm, and everywhere in between. Everything that sand touches fails sooner. This is a side of sand you don't want to think about, but it's undeniable. It's expensive to use sand. The solutions for some farmers just use less sand. With that, too many cows on too many farms are not getting the comfort they need because too many farmers are tired of buying sand and dealing with the problems that come with it. They deserve better, you deserve better, and so do your cows. With DCC Waterbeds, you get a well-proven, consistently comfortable, long-lasting product. With hundreds of thousands of high-performing, healthy cows around the world, DCC Waterbeds are the best choice for concrete-based applications. And different from all mattresses, as well as deep-bedded sand and organic materials, only DCC Waterbeds offer your cows consistent comfort every cow, every day, every time she lies down. Mattresses will compact and harden. Deep-bedded stalls will constantly need labor and materials to keep them cleaned and filled. DCC Waterbeds stand above all other options, giving your cows reliable comfort while making daily stall management easier and more cost-effective. Take the next step and learn more about how DCC Waterbeds can help you make a change for the better on your dairy farm. You're not alone in this. You're joining farmers from all around the world who have already chosen DCC Waterbeds for their cows. They deserve better. You deserve better, and so do your cows.